Hello and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News channel. Today we're going to be looking at coins that I may actually want to buy if I had some money to actually buy coins in this bearish market. And we're going to talk about the three first: BNB, FTX, Gala. Those are three I would buy because on their fundamental principle. FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried, he's trying to buy Voyager now. He's going to buy BlockFi. FTX, they're going to have a huge list of raw assets next bull run to draw from, and they're kind of cheap right now. So I'd definitely be looking into FTX. I think they are a very, very strong company, and they're going to come out of this bear market very, very, very strong. BNB, kind of the same thing. Although they're not quite on the public acquisition spree that FTX is, they are buying up some companies, and BNB has a very, very solid use case. Plus, CZ is still expanding while competitors like Coinbase are actually contracting. So I do believe BNB is a solid use case, and I do actually think BNB is a safer investment than FTX. CZ knows what he's doing. It's the biggest exchange in the world, and people will find uses for BNB, and they're still expanding while everyone else is contracting. Gala is my metaverse gaming pick because they are partnered with Epic Games, which is a AAA game producer. Now, I've actually been looking for a AAA company to actually produce a metaverse game or a game with NFTs because I think you need to actually make a good game that people actually want to play. And a AAA gaming company like Epic Games would be a good place to turn to. And also, Gala has several projects that could actually be successful and not just one. But outside of those three projects, we're going to be looking at ASIC resistant mining coins, proof of work coins. Now, I don't think proof of work is the future, but you have to remember, they can't switch off of it all at once. A lot of people have a lot of video cards and they need to mine coins. And some of you are thinking, well, they're all just doing Ethereum, but that's right. But Ethereum is going to merge and get off of proof of work on September 19th. So before that date, or on that date, people actually might be looking to mine other ASIC resistant coins, meaning that you can't use like Antminers to mine them, or you can, but they won't be very efficient. So you use GPUs to mine them. And these coins might actually gain hash rate and gain in price. So these are the ones you would think of buying as well. The first one is Monero. That is probably the safest one, even though there is like the whole layer of like, yeah, the feds might go after it because, the KYC AML stuff. But they are ASIC resistant, which means that GPU mining is the main thing. So like if this Ethereum miners want to switch off to something useful, they actually might mine Monero. So Monero could be one to look at. I'm not going to talk about SafeCash because that's more CPU mining. Ravencoin, they use the Cow-Pow algorithm, and that is also user-friendly and ASIC resistant. So, some people might go into Ravencoin. I really wouldn't. And then Havencoin, XHV, is also proof of work, and it also uses RandomX. It's also one of the most profitable currencies to mine, and I think some Ethereum people will actually turn to Havencoin to actually mine Havencoin afterwards. So that actually might be another coin you want to look at. Ethereum Classic might actually get the lion's share of the Ethereum miners because you can go straight from Ethereum to Ethereum Classic. They're technically like the same blockchain that split years and years ago, and many people would actually say ETC is the original chain, and they would actually be right. Their algorithm upgrades to the KeyCac 256 algorithm in Thanos, which means the coin has become resistant to ASIC machines, and you can use even 3 gigabytes of mining for mining purposes. ETC is going to be mined in the same way that ETH does, and plus the fact that it has Ethereum in its name, I think a lot of the ETH miners might actually go to it and pump up the price. The next one is Horizon, and it uses the Equihash algorithm. It's one of the easiest coins to mine, and the Horizon development team has made several changes to make it more accessible to miners operating from home. So this also uses GPUs. The other one is Vertcoin. It's also very user-friendly. It's ASIC resistant. It's basically intended for home miners using CPUs and GPUs. And of course, last of all, Ion. It's a lighter version of Monero, so it works a lot like Monero. So those are the other coins besides FTX, BNB, and Gala that you might be interested in. Now, the second list, like Monero, besides Monero, obviously, but Monero is one of them. Ravencoin, Havencoin, Ethereum Classic, Horizon, Verticoin, and Aeon. These are short-term investments. I might buy them this month and sell them in September because these are definitely going to come down after the first initial wave of Ethereum miners goes to these coins. But once again, they are Monero, Ravencoin, Havencoin, Ethereum Classic, Horizon, Vertcoin and Aeon. If you want a long-term coin from that list, it would actually be Monero. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.